Our iceberg is melting is a short story from which everyone working in any kind of organization can now discover how to use the same 8 steps and enjoy more success in these changing times. Let us see how a group of penguins, in adverse conditions, use the steps, seemingly without knowing it. Our iceberg is melting. Once upon a time, a colony of traditional penguins was living in the frozen Antarctic on an iceberg. But Fred, an adolescent penguin, was different from most penguins. He was unusually curious and observant. He found out that their iceberg was melting and might break apart soon. What do I do now? The colony had a leadership council led by the head penguin, Louis, and Elise was one of them. She was a tough and practical bird. Fred told her of his studies and his conclusions. She said, skeptically, "Take me to the place that you think most clearly shows the problem." Fred took Elise under the water to show her where the iceberg had a huge tunnel-like hole. Elise was shaken and she immediately contacted all members of the leadership council, including Louis, the head penguin. The council analyzed the situation and explained it to the colony. Thus a sense of urgency was created. Louis formed a team of 5 including himself, the head, professor, logical, buddy, trustworthy, Elise, practical, and Fred, intellect, to handle the situation. Thus a guiding team was formed. The team analyzed for a solution in different ways and came to a conclusion that they'll have a nomad colony. Free, with no fixed home. Thus a vision was defined. See you in the next part of the story. To know complete story, keep watching Sprintzeal updates. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel for such more videos and do not forget to press the bell icon.